This is a really good turnout. I'm sure when they got the word that the Prez is coming, everybody came out to say hi. And here's a lot of little folks. I hope you can see them. Now, let me just pull out here. I'll just hold it there for a second. You can see how grouped together they are. And I'm pretty sure everybody there, the entourage, the camera people, the press, don't see this. But we do. I'll pull in just a little bit. I wish I could see that big head on the right there? I wish I could see that guy completely. But you see everything going on there? Let me pull out. Let's go up, let's go up. Here we have some more. I'll bring the picture down some. And look at this. Now, is that Elvis up there? I rest my case. They got him. Yeah. Well, anyway. But obviously you can see there's quite a bit here in this picture. Right on the same hillside where the tall aliens were over there. By the way, that's where the Hoover Dam monster was also in the last video, up by that bridge. Let me get a little bit closer. Okay, I'm going. It's too close. Okay. Let's go back to the Prez. Let's look at the other side now. There he is. And let's see. Hey. These two guys came out to say hi. It's not every day the President of the United States shows up at the Hoover Dam alien base. But there they are. Those are pretty big guys. Let's go up here. Looky here. Now this is wild. Hang on a second. Let me hold it right there. Here we see, I think that might be the band right there. You see this thing with like the big nose and the tongue coming out, or the big mouth? There's a lot of happy non-human entities. I got to get away from calling them alien. They're alien in a way. They're different, but that's it. Now look up there. Look how colorful it is. And I believe that's the true color. But again, I think people might say something who are visiting the dam, like, hey, what's all that stuff? Well, they can't see it. And that would explain a lot. That's a great picture right there. I wonder, is that a father and son team? It could be. All right. Let's go take a look at one more. It's really of the President himself. Thank you, sir. And let's go to the next one. There's the President. And he's standing there. And I thought, you know, I want to take a closer look at him. So I started taking a look at his head. You know, that's just a glare. But there's more than just a glare. Let's stop right there for a second. It almost looks like a little picture of an alien right there. And that's certainly not natural looking there. I don't think that's just a vein. And we're getting kind of a picture effect here. And also, what's on his hand here? Hang on a second. There's a little more to look at. But you can see, now maybe that's shadow, maybe not. But there's something right there. Well, fortunately I have a enhancement and enhancement we can look at. So let's take a look at that. Now here's the president. I've had to darken up the picture to get better resolution, but let's just go take a look at his head. You know, I decidedly stay out of politics on this channel, and I'm really not that politically minded about too much, unless the president is an alien or has been compromised by aliens. But what's on his head here? Now, that's just kind of strange. Let me see if I can correct this any. Hang on just a second. What else is coming out here? Well, there's something up there. There's something on his head. But this gets better. Let's go take a look at his hand. I'm going to darken this up a little bit. Hang on. Thank you for your patience. There. Let's see if I can sharpen it up just a little bit. Yeah, that's probably about as. How's that? Okay. Well, now you can see what appears. Look at the camera here. There's some little people down there on his palm. Now maybe he doesn't know. Hang on a second. Maybe he doesn't know they're there. Maybe he does. Maybe they're his little friends. And but look at his fingers, especially his forefinger and middle finger. They look like 1, 2, 3 faces here, 1, 2, 3 faces there. And that's, I don't just think that's just a photographic anomaly, especially the little guys there on his palm. There's too much detail coming out. Well, you know, we always kind of suspected there might be something odd about the president. I never had too much against him, except that he might be an alien. And if he is, maybe he should just tell us. Alright. Well, there you are. Huh. Okay.